Hello, today we'll be unboxing the Lenovo Flex 7. Here's the specifications. The RAM is going to be 16 gigabytes. It's an Intel i7 for the CPU, 1 terabyte of storage, 3-cell battery with a 14-inch display. It's the stone blue color of the Lenovo Flex 7 14 IRU8. So I went ahead and already cut that seal. Just gonna pull that tab up, pull it out. All right, now that I've got it slidden out of the box the majority of the way, I'm gonna just pull it like so. It's got the protective wrapping, that way there's no damage for it. So here's your instruction manual it comes with. Comes with a writing pen because it is a touch screen, so this connects to it and you can use it as like a stylus. Here's the power adapter for the wall plug. And then here is the Lenovo computer itself. I'm gonna pull it out and then I'm gonna show you how it looks all set up. So when it comes out of the box, this is what you get it like. It's plugged in. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on real quick. It is charging right now. It comes dead. So there's just some of the features that it comes with. And it did have the other adapter on the power cable to connect to the computer. The keyboard does light up as shown, and it's just turning on right now. Another cool feature right up here is you can move this little slider as a privacy block. So if you don't want the camera being visible, you can slide that. All right, so now it's loading for us. This is the first time it's ever been turned on. Like I was saying, this is the Lenovo Flex 7 in the blue color. So it works really well. Easy setup, easy startup for you, and a good design. Thank you for watching and have a great night. Thank you.